If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. One of the greatest discoveries a person makes, one of their great surprises, is to find they can do what they were afraid they couldn't do. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. Greatest thing in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say what is and what is definitely not possible. As we advance in life, we learn the limits of our abilities. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Whether you think you can, or you think you can't, you're right. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. If there is any one secret of success, it lies in the ability to get the other person's point of view and see things from that person's angle as well as from your own. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man can have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience and ability. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. The depression was just a state of mind. It is over for everyone who has changed his state of mind. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do.